If your budget is under $350, we've got some exciting news for you. OnePlus is all set to expand its Nord series, with the launch of the OnePlus Nord CE5, the successor to the Nord CE4. This smartphone is poised to be the best in the $350 segment, and guess what? Its features have already been leaked online. If you're planning to grab this amazing device, stick around till the end of this video, because we're diving deep into its full leaked features, price, and launch date. Let's get started. Features of OnePlus Nord CE5. Display. The Nord CE5 is expected to feature a 6.75-inch Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED display, with a resolution of 2412 x 1080 pixels. It's a punch-hole style screen that supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, 2160 Hz PWM dimming, and a 240 Hz touch sampling rate. Plus, it comes with HDR10 Plus support, and an in-display fingerprint sensor, for that premium feel. Camera setup. OnePlus is stepping up its camera game with the Nord CE5. It's rumored to sport a dual rear camera setup. First, a 50-megapixel Sony LYT-701 primary sensor with OIS support, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide IMX355 secondary lens for those breathtaking landscapes. And for all the selfie lovers and Instagram reel creators, there's a 32-megapixel front camera. Processor. Under the hood, the Nord CE5 is expected to pack the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 octa-core processor, built on a 4nm fabrication process. With clock speeds ranging from 1.8 GHz to 2.8 GHz, and an Adreno 730 GPU, this phone is a beast for gaming and multitasking. And yes, it's likely to run on the latest Android 15 out of the box. Battery backup. The Nord CE5 is rumored to come with a massive 5500 mAh battery, supported by 100-watt fast charging. This phone can go from 1% to 100% in just 30 minutes. No more waiting around for your phone to charge, just plug it in, grab a coffee, and you're ready to go. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price. The OnePlus Nord CE5 is expected to be priced around $349, making it a steal deal for the features it offers. As for the launch date, OnePlus might unveil it by the end of this year. So, mark your calendars and start saving up.